Ever pondered the potential of AI to turn your TikTok content profitable? If so, you're in luck. Welcome to a concise guide on leveraging AI for monetization on TikTok. Enter TikTok, a platform revolutionizing social media with engaging short videos. A domain where creativity is king, and the right resources can turn your hobby into a thriving business. Scene script. So how does one do that? The answer lies in artificial intelligence. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this exciting journey. Step 1. Understand the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a game changer. It's a technology that can learn, adapt, and improve over time, making it a powerful tool for TikTok creators. When used wisely, AI can analyze trends, predict what content will perform well, and even create videos on your behalf. Step 2. Sign up for a TikTok account if you haven't already. It's quick and easy. All you need is a valid email address or a phone number and you're good to go. Step 3. Now that you have an account, it's time to familiarize yourself with AI tools available for TikTok. There are numerous options, from AI video editors that can create stunning visuals, to AI analytics tools that can provide valuable insights into your content's performance. Voiceover. Before we dive into choosing the right AI tool, let's take a brief detour and introduce you to Maria, a successful TikTok creator from the Philippines. Maria has managed to amass a massive following by leveraging AI tools to their full potential. She uses these tools to create engaging content and analyze her videos' performance. The AI helps her understand her audience's preferences and consistently produce popular videos. The proof of her success is in her skyrocketing follower count, high video views, and effective monetization strategy. As you can see, with the right tools and strategy, you too can achieve similar success on TikTok. Let's now move on to how you can choose the right AI tool for you. Step 4. Choose the right AI tool for you. Consider what you need most. If you're looking to create captivating videos with minimal effort, an AI video editor might be your best bet. If you want to know what content will resonate with your audience, an AI analytics tool could be the way forward. Step 5. Once you've chosen your AI tool, it's time to put it to work. Start creating content. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly upload videos and engage with your audience. Over time, the AI will learn from your interactions and help you optimize your content strategy. Voiceover. Now that we've discussed how to put AI to work, let's take a look at a successful TikTok creator who has leveraged these AI tools to their advantage. Meet Alex, a TikTok content creator with over 1 million followers. Alex uses AI tools not just to create engaging content, but also to analyze the performance of each video. The AI helps him understand which content resonates with his audience and which doesn't. By learning from these insights, he's able to consistently produce videos that his followers love. And the results? They speak for themselves. Alex's follower count has skyrocketed. His videos regularly rack up hundreds of thousands of views, and he's been able to monetize his content effectively through the TikTok Creator Fund and brand partnerships. As you can see, with the right tools and strategy, you too can achieve similar success on TikTok. In the next section, we'll discuss how you can monetize your content on this platform. Step 6. Monetize your content. TikTok offers various ways to do this. You can join the TikTok Creator Fund, where you get paid based on the number of views your videos receive. Or you can use your platform to promote brands and earn through brand partnerships and sponsorships. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money with AI on TikTok. It's a journey that requires effort and dedication, but with the power of AI at your disposal, success is within reach. Now it's time to take action. Don't just sit there and dream about making money on TikTok. Take the plunge and join the TikTok Creativity Program. It's a community where creators like you can learn, grow, and thrive. So why wait? The future of content creation awaits, and it's all happening on TikTok. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your creativity into a profitable venture. It's time to make your mark on the TikTok universe. Time to call it a day. Did this guide help? If so, give a thumbs up. Your likes guide our content. Remember to subscribe for more. Your fuels us. So hit that subscribe button and keep carving niche the TikTok cosmos.